Up first this evening, one of the police officers killed during a police operation in Horizon Park, St. Catherine last month was laid to rest. Now, the funeral was held at the Evangel Temple Deliverance Center in Portmore, where there were calls for better compensation packages for members of the security forces. Kalisha Williams reports.
Sadness and grief. It's not the place where these lawmen wanted to be, but today the man they're calling their hero was laid to rest. One by one, persons filled the Evangel Temple Deliverance Center in Portmore, St. Catherine. Some mustered the courage to take a final look at their colleague, friend and family member. Then, from the altar to the pews, the mourners did not hold back expressions of gratitude.
He was jovial, responsible, committed and smart.
Members of the Political Directorate and the Commissioner of Police were also among those in attendance. Prime Minister Andrew Holness paid tribute via video link. And one thing was clear, everyone seemed to be impacted by Detective Corporal Biggs in one way or another.
One of the things that stayed with me was the idea that he didn't need to be encouraged to do policing, to go to work. It was what he did.
A man who left deep rural Manchester to become a part of a force for good, to serve, protect, and reassure the people of Jamaica, to make Jamaica a safer place, and was killed because of it.
Chairman of the Police Officers Association, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, lamented the burden that is often placed on police officers.
You are expected to be caring and understanding. However, in so doing, one is also to offer the ultimate sacrifice in protecting the vulnerable and guiding the misled from unscrupulous, callous, and vicious criminal elements.
Member of Parliament for South St. Catherine Fitz Jackson said Dane Biggs' death should be a wake-up call for policymakers to provide better compensation packages for the security forces.
And for officers like Detective Corporal Dane, we have to find a way that we can compensate them, that they remain in the areas that they have first preference. So promotion does not become a way for earning more, but the work that they do and how well they do it in those categories.
Detective Corporal Biggs was one of two police officers shot and killed during a gun battle in Horizon Park, St. Catherine in June. A third policeman, Superintendent Leon Clunis, who was also shot during the incident, died in hospital on June 30.
Rest in peace, Dane Biggs. Batch 94 for life.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.